tonight I just did the cumulative Windows 10 update for my system, and as we all know, Microsoft is ending the support for Windows 10 uh, in this month. I think October 14. So today is October 17. Okay, so I just finished the update, and I will not be upgrading to Windows 11 because I'm not even I'm not ready to have Windows 11, and right now Windows 10 is actually very perfect for me. And actually, I did have a sneak peek in Windows 11, and I noticed they moved around the start menu. The task bar is it kind of looks different. So I really don't know why they do all these things, but I mean, of course, they really want to justify the fact that you're upgrading to a newer operating system. So they want to at least make it look different compared to Windows 10. So, however, I will still be upgrading to Windows 11, but not right now until, I mean, at least not until I'm very sure that it's stable and there's a way I can actually modify the theme and change back to Windows 10 theme. That's for my desktop and the start menu, this task bar and everything like that. So if you want to do, I mean, there's an option if you don't really want to upgrade right away to Windows 11 since Microsoft support for Windows 10 has officially ended. If you don't want to upgrade right away, there's an option. Microsoft gives us the option to enroll in extended security updates to help keep our device secure. How do you do that? So what you do is you can come to your start menu, type Windows update, then you come to this screen, okay? Then look to the far right where you see this part where it says enroll now. You click on enroll now and this screen is going to pop up, okay? So we're just going to follow the prompts and get this done. So this is the first time I'm actually going through these options. So let's see what we're getting. So support for Windows 10 ended on October 14, like I said. So security updates, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to hit next. Then let's see what's going to happen. So I am going to sign in to my Microsoft account. So 1 second. So you put in your email that you have that you have registered for, I mean, with your Microsoft account. So once you put that in, you are presented with this screen, okay? So basically, it tells me I'm eligible to enroll in extended security updates at no extra cost, and this is going to be valid until October 13 next year. So I'm going to just go ahead and hit enroll, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So right now, this has been done. As you can see, you are enrolled in extended security updates to October 13, 2026. So that's it, guys. That is how you enroll in security updates for your Windows 10 PC if you don't want to upgrade to Windows 11. So that's about it, guys. It's so very easy. It just takes less than 2 minutes, and that's it. So I am good to go until October next year. So that's it for now, guys. If you like what you see here, do hit a like on this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and support me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.